how are you all? I hope all are fine. So summer already came, and in this time we are feeling completely thirsty and we are drinking cold drinks, different type of packed juices which are completely unhealthy. So today I will share one of my recipe which is healthy and easy to make at home. So let's start.
So today we will make masala chase. For that we need 1 cup of curd and some mint leaves, coriander leaves. After that we need some pepper and cumin seeds which already I roasted and grinded it. Then we need some sea salt according to your taste and some rock salt and half glass of water. So I have a juicer. I will use this juicer. You can use hand mixture to mix it. So first of all I will use curd. So I will pour curd to this juicer. After that already I will add chopped coriander and mint leaves which I will add to this curd. Then pepper and cumin seeds. Then sea salt and rock salt according to your taste. After that I will pour half cup of water. Then I will on my juicer to mix it. You can use hand mixture or spoon to mix it. Now I will open it. Now you can see as it is completely ready. Now I took a glass and I will pour this mixture to this glass. Now our chas is ready, but still garnishing is left. So now we will garnish it. So for garnishing I use some pepper powder and some mint leaves. It will look more attractive. So my masala chas is ready. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Stay healthy, stay safe.